Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and it is day 12 of me knitting on the Kintra sweater test knit. Today I have a lot of knitting to do, okay? It's currently 10:24 a.m. and I have 9 centimeters that I need to knit today. Usually I knit like 10 centimeters a day, but that's on DK or something bigger. This is fingering weight yarn. So 9 centimeters is a lot. I think that equates to like 36 rounds or something. Since I did not meet my goal yesterday, that is my goal for today. Let's see what we get done. I'm gonna go eat breakfast and then come back and start knitting immediately. You'll never guess what happened. You know, as I was knitting, my sister said, hey, we should go out and eat. And I was like, I concur. So we went out to eat, and it's now 2:38 p.m. and I have knitted, let's see. I brought my knitting with me. I didn't knit, but listen, I don't go anywhere without my knitting. Are you crazy for me to sit there and twiddle my thumbs? Absolutely not. Okay. I'm on round 15. I started out at like 11 a.m. on round 14. Okay, I'm locking in. I need to get to 25. Yeah, I need to get to 25, so I have 10 more rounds. And then I need to do 25 more rounds. So 35 rounds total still that I have to do. And it's, okay, all right, let's not think about that. It's okay. I know I don't have to rush. You don't have to tell me that. I want to rush. Thank you. It's fun. It fuels me, okay? The sense of urgency makes me motivated and productive. So, let's put on some Game of Thrones, okay? I'm almost done with season 2. And then, we're gonna knit at the same time. So let's get it. Alrighty guys, I have been knitting like crazy, okay? It is currently 7:24, it's almost 7:30, and I am on round 25 from yesterday's bunch, okay? Batch. So that means I have finished up doing the rest of the 7 centimeters that I wanted to do yesterday. Now, I need to do another 25, okay? That sounds crazy, but listen, I'm willing to stay up till like, let's say 2 a.m. I haven't done a 2 a.m. stay up session in a little bit, so I think potentially, so with breaks in between, obviously, because I'm not someone who knits like crazy until my hands fall off. No ma'am. I take breaks in between, okay? So let's say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. So I have like 6.5 hours that I want to stay up more, but realistically I'll probably get like 3.5, maybe 4 hours of knitting time in between then, because I take a lot of breaks and I do not knit for hours just straight because that's not healthy. So I'd say about 3.5 more hours of pure knitting, and we will see what we get to after that, because hopefully that'll be enough time to get most of the rounds done, and then we'll see. I will try to like keep my breaks at a minimum, like not take hour-long breaks, maybe just like 10 to 20 minutes here and there to maximize my time. But obviously, if I'm feeling some sort of way, or if I feel like I'm pushing myself too hard, I'm going to stop and take a longer break, because I refuse to injure myself just for a sweater. Like, it's not that deep. So we will see what we get. And this is, where's the marker? Here it is. This is what I've gotten. So realistically, it's probably from like here to here, since some of this is from yesterday and then the rest is from today. But that is the total of what I was supposed to do yesterday, which I got done now. So let's do another 7 centimeters, okay? Guys, something happened. Hold on.
Snap, crackle, pop.
Rice Krispie.
That was not that funny for you to be laughing like that.
Yes, it is.
I popped my cable off my needle. This time it was my fault because, you know, it's been 2 years of pressure.
The
And
pressure is
it's getting worse. Yeah, there was a lot of pressure. You know, it was already bent, so I was literally waiting any day for it to pop off.
Holy God.
I'm sorry.
That's what happens when you have a lot of, when you stuff your stitches on your cables.
Yeah, because y'all don't like moving to 40,
Nope.
whatever.
No.
40s. Y'all stay on
refuse.
those
I was
32.
I think my core shaman
stitches.
put the stress on this for real because it was like,
Yeah.
what is this? So, you know, the good thing is,
There's
Another one.
There's nothing good about this.
the good thing is, they're always 232s. So I'm gonna use this. This is also bent, but it's also 2 years old. Okay.
And the good thing is the Sorella needles, we can use that cable.
The Knit Picks needles, the other liquid
and
needles,
the knitting, the one Daddy gave us.
Knitter's
Pride.
Knitter's Pride. Yeah. So, you know, I have plenty of other cords and cables I can use, but I can literally also just buy replacements. I don't care. So, anyway, that's what happened. It's currently 10:11, and I've gotten, where am I? I'm on round 5 out of 25.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, such a rookie mistake. You have to come back to my school.
My dad is a knitter, okay? So he understands. So this is funny. But, listen, I'm gonna stay up till like 2 a.m., okay? I still have 3.5 hours.
Whoa, that's it?
Yeah, that's
3.5 hours fingering weight.
I know!
That's what I'm like.
Girl.
I'm like, ooh, that's not a lot of time.
It's not. Oh no! Listen, I'll try to get most of it done. I wrote down.
Or at least that.
For real.
I wrote down goals so that I can check them off and feel like, yes, I got this done. Yes. And then I can be like, I can get the rest done tomorrow, you know?
I do that.
I've been doing that for the past few days.
That's what I did yesterday.
Like, 10 rounds?
I was
That's
like,
great.
yeah, today I'm going to get it all done.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I'm just going to change these out and continue knitting. Guys, I've knitted 10 full rounds. I have 15 more to go. It's currently, watch, tell me.
Oh my god, bro. 9 a.m.
Oh!
Friday, or 6
It's
a.m.
mi-
Friday.
I thought it was 11 o'clock. It's 12:24 a.m. I don't think I'm gonna make it. I don't think I'm gonna make it. I'm tired. But, yeah, I just... How many more rounds do you have left?
4.
You wanna go to bed?
What are you saying right
Yeah.
now? That's not what are you saying, bro.
I'm going to bed. Listen. Listen.
4
Let's
times,
pause, yeah.
3 days, 20
Listen,
hours, 10
guys.
minutes away.
I know I said I'm gonna do this. Fingering weight takes forever.
It's a different beast.
It's a different beast. My goals aren't the same. And also I'm knitting an oversized version. So I'm knitting way more stitches than I'll be knitting if I were to be knitting my size. If I was to be knitting my size. whichever one choose. I am happy with what I got done though, because I did knit 7 centimeters today because I knitted 5 centimeters and then I knitted about 2. So 7 total so far. Let me measure this. You want to watch me measure? Yes, you do. Okay. All right. Let's measure this and see what we have so far. Because, you know, we're trying to get to 28 centimeters before the ribbing. And this is at literally 17.75. No, this is literally 18. 18 centimeters. Give or take. Let's give. 1, 2, I have 3 more. What? I have 3 more centimeters that I was supposed to knit today. Which means it's going to add on to tomorrow. 7, 8, 9, 10. Which means I need to knit 10 centimeters tomorrow. Which is 25 plus 15. Oh, I could just lift my camera up. 25 plus 15. What's that? 40? 25 plus 10 is 35. Plus 5 is 40. Girl, I can barely do 25 rounds in a day. What makes me think I can do 40 tomorrow?
Well, because you can do 25 rounds in a day, you're just procrastinating.
You're right. Delusion. Yeah. But I'm tired. You know how this morning I was like, oh, my battery's dying. This morning I was like, oh, I'm gonna, you know, prioritize and knit. I didn't start knitting until the afternoon. I tried to do it at 11 and I didn't get a round done. Anyway, that's what I got done, you know, just a little bit more. Anyway, my battery's dying and I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow and hopefully, you know, we can actually stick to our goals. But if not, it's okay because it doesn't matter. It's not a challenge. Goodbye.